Hello guys, now we are talking Mahindra Thar.e, electric SUV, a brutal design and Volkswagen engine. The Indian company Mahindra and Mahindra held a large-scale presentation of future products in Cape Town, South Africa, the most interesting of which was the Mahindra Thar.e, electric SUV. The Mahindra embarked on a full electrification of the model range, with the aim of becoming a global manufacturer and mastering the most green-minded markets. For future electric trains, Mahindra has developed in partnership with Volkswagen, the India Global Modular Platform, can use components from third-party suppliers, such as BYD, and Valeo Electric Motors. The current one is off-road technology, because Scorpio, Bolero and Thar SUV today, make Mahindra main box office, and sales of all three frame models, which are so far equipped only with hydrocarbon power plants, are growing by leaps and bounds this year, and in general, Mahindra in January-July this year, became the growth leader in the Indian market, selling 235,604 vehicles. In the ranking of the most popular brands in India, Mahindra currently ranks fourth after Maruti Suzuki, 993,759 cars sold in January to July, the Hyundai sold 346,678 units, and Tata sold 322,662 units. The India Global Modular Platform in the SUV application has been heavily modified. The front axle has been moved forward, the suspension travel has been increased, the wheelbase will vary from 2,775 to 2,975 mm, the ground clearance from 250 to 300 mm, battery capacity from 60 to 80 kWh, the maximum power reserve on a single charge will be about 450 km on the WLTP cycle. The Mahindra Thar.e will have several modifications, including single-engine rear-wheel drive. The current hydrocarbon Mahindra Thar has a rear-wheel drive version this year. The all-wheel drive twin-engine version of the Thar.e will most likely have Volkswagen engines. Output of the front is 80 kW and 135 Nm. The rear is 210 kW and 535 Nm of torque. The concept has a 5-door body with an original faceted design. The Jeep model, unlike its predecessors, if it resembles, then very remotely. Door hinges are on display, as are towing outlets and hood latches, a multi-section removable roof, and a full-size spare wheel hanging from the tailgate. The square nest interior is trimmed with rough-looking materials, 50% recycled plastic. There is no trace of luxury here. The visible mounting bolts of the electronic instrument panel and multimedia screen hint at high maintainability. The Mahindra Thar.e is unlikely to be cheap, so it will certainly be exported, perhaps even to the America, where the extremely aesthetic first-generation Mahindra Thar is now being produced and sold under the name Ruxer. What do you think of this car? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.